Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Express for graphic design. To begin, simply open Adobe Express in your web browser or on your mobile device. You'll find an incredibly intuitive interface, perfect for creating stunning visuals quickly. Start your project by choosing from thousands of pre-designed templates, or if you prefer, dive straight into a blank canvas to unleash your creativity from scratch. It's designed to make graphic design accessible to everyone. Adobe Express offers a wealth of design tools at your fingertips. You can leverage thousands of free, professionally designed templates tailored for everything from Instagram stories to flyers. Easily customize your text with a vast selection of fonts, colors, and dynamic effects to make your message pop. Plus, you have access to a massive library of royalty-free photos, videos, and design assets from Adobe stock, ensuring your creations always look polished and professional. For a truly personalized touch, Adobe Express allows you to upload your unique brand logos, specific fonts, and custom color palettes, ensuring consistent branding across all your designs. Need to isolate a subject? The Quick Actions feature lets you remove image backgrounds with just one click, saving you valuable time. Furthermore, you can easily collaborate with your team, sharing projects and providing feedback directly within the platform for seamless teamwork. Once your masterpiece is complete, exporting and sharing are incredibly straightforward. You can download your finished designs in various high-quality formats, including JPEG, PNG, and PDF, perfect for both digital and print use. For instant reach, directly share your creations to popular social media platforms with just a few taps. And if you need to adapt your design for different channels, you can instantly resize it for various platforms without compromising quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.